Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at Jehoiachin or however you pronounce it, his reign, because it seems to be there's an error in the Bible. And I will show you that in the original language there's no errors. This will be an error in the translation, and I'll show you the reason why that is. But in the original language, which I will show you, there is no error. The first verse we're going to look at is 2 Chronicles 36:9, and it's right here. It says, Jehoiachin was 8 years old when he began to reign, and he reigned 3 months and 10 days in Jerusalem, and he did that which was evil in the sight of the Lord. So if you look at this word 8, it's the Hebrew word 80, 83. So if you click on 83, you can see that it is Shemanin, which means 10th plus or whatever that means. But the simple fact is that this means 18. So why is it translated 8 right here in 2 Chronicles 36:9? That's because this translation, which was by the King James Version, does have this error. Other translations, like the NASB, you go to the same verse. You can see right here, Jehoiachin was 18 years old, and you can see the same Greek word. See, this one has a better translation of it. Same word on there. It's 80, 83, same Greek or Hebrew word that's over here. You'll only find this error in translations that are translated paraphrasing and not word for word, or they try to make a particular sentence sound better. But right here, you can see it's the same word. Right here, it says Jehoiachin was 8. Well, over here in this translation, it says Jehoiachin was 18. So let's go back to the King James Version, and let's go. And you remember, it's 80, 83 right here, 80, 83. The second verse we want to look at is 2 Kings 24, 8. And you see Jehoiachin was 18 years old when he began to reign, and he reigned in Jerusalem 3 months. The 10 days is missing. I don't seem that to be a problem, because in the Chronicles, they try to be precise. In Kings, they're shorthanding it. Them not putting 10 days in there is not a big deal. No, that doesn't discredit the Bible, because you can go to the Gospels, you can see that all of them are writing from their own point of view, their own perspective. Doesn't change the fact that it is. One's writing shorthand, it appears, and the other one is not. They're both reigning 3 months. If it said one said 3 months and one said 40 months, you would have a legit argument. But missing the 10 days, that doesn't mean anything. Is it 3 months and 10 days, or is it 3 months? It's 3 months, because he hasn't made it to the 4th month yet anyway. But you can see that the 18, let me scroll up so you can see it. You can see that Jehoiachin was 18 years old when he began to reign in Jerusalem, 3 months, and his mother's name was blah, blah, blah. But you can see the same word, 80, 83, the Hebrew word, and now it's translated 18. So you can see it's the same Greek word and translated differently into English. So was he 8 or was he 18? No matter which way you go, it's the same Greek word. Therefore, this is not an error. This is not legitimate for an error. In the other translations, you can see that both places, Jehoiachin was 18 years old. This is 2 Kings. And if you go to Chronicles, go to 2 Chronicles, you can see that in the NASB, they're both translated 18. So again, there's no errors in the Bible. You do lose stuff in translation, but the original language is pure and is perfect, because we worship a perfect God.